Okay, if you're finally starting to look at this market and see that we are getting a bullish move here, I'd like to see it back above. Here's your S&P 500 SPY ETF, and this one is you can see this green candle here finally starting to look pretty good. So if you are getting bullish and you want to start to look in, you want to start to look at what your price targets are. I can see a blue line here is roughly the 200-day, maybe some resistance around your 583. Well, we can work our way up, right? We could say something like 576, then maybe 580, 584, right? Then probably something like even all get up to your 100 and your 50 up there, those two moving averages. So first goal, again, I'd probably say a couple ways to look at this. One, your ATR is roughly about $10, so it's moving on average $10 a day. So I would be looking at a straight call. That's going to hurt your applied volatility if it does go down a little bit, but again, I think you're going to be doing all right if this thing really starts to ramp up, if they come in, maybe short squeeze this thing, really put together a relief rally off of this kind of downtrend that we've had. So see how far they can move this thing back up. Okay, so what I would do is come over into my at the money options on probably next week's options or the week after, depending on how much capital you have you can use. But I look to probably buy something slightly out of the money, just right in here and see if you can get a move. So I would buy these and I'll put in 10. I'm in a paper trading account, so no big deal. I'm going to do it right here for mid-market, and we'll place that order. You can do it with an entry bot where you basically use a level, and then I would look to put some good rolls in here. So for this, I'm going to look at maybe, I'm going to do this one over here, which is every $5, I'm just going to roll up. And then after the third one, I'm going to consider an extra. That's roughly 20 bucks of movement. So I'm going to just click apply. All of my trades are there and entered. So now if I do, and I'll show you the movement here in a preview. So if I'm in this call, which I should get into here mid-market wise, and then if I move up by $5, I'll roll. That gets me up to like 567. And then after the next one, I'll be up there about 572. So again, all I'm doing is rolling my options up as we go. And this is just keeps going. So I got another one that goes another $5, and then I have an exit. So anytime I can just come in and exit if I start to see things roll back over. But I have a trade set up. That literally took me seconds to put into place in terms of having all my trades there. Again, this is the power of Options Robot. Hope you enjoy. Good luck. We'll talk to you guys soon.